You know, when you're short on storage space in your home, a simple over-the-door shoe pocket organizer like this can offer you a wonderful option to store your extra items. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 items that kids use that can easily be stored in this over-the-door shoe pocket organizer that'll help you keep the toys off of the floor and up into a nice storage option to help you free up a little space around your home. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 items that kids use that can easily be stored in this over-the-door shoe pocket organizer that'll help keep the toys up and out of the way and off of your floor, which can help keep you from tripping over them. Okay, so let's dive right into this. Okay, if your kids have stuffed animals, you can fit the smaller ones in these pockets very easily. You can also put Barbie dolls in here, or maybe your child has a bunch of Hot Wheels lying around. Those can easily be stored in these pockets. If your child loves dinosaurs, these over-the-door pockets are great for storing all those different kinds. You can also store things like hair bows in here. And if you hate it when you step on one of those little Lego pieces that are left lying on the floor, these little pockets can store all your different shaped Legos. You can also store things like the little Play-Doh or slime containers. Your crayons or color pencils can easily fit in these pockets too. Or if your child loves collecting stickers, you can fit all the different kinds in here. You can even fit some smaller puzzle boxes in here. There are literally hundreds and hundreds of different toys or accessories that you can fit into these over-the-door shoe pocket organizers that will really help keep that floor nice and clean and a lot safer to walk on. Okay, I hope this list helped. If it did, please let me know by clicking on that like button below. And if you have any ideas on items that would fit easily in these pockets, please let me know. Leave them in the comments below. I'd love to share these ideas. I'll catch you on the next video.